morning, this is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Nobin Pradhan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that together India had defeated COVID last year and India can do it again with the same principles but with faster speed and coordination. Modi said this while chairing a meeting to review the status of preparedness to handle the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic yesterday. Various aspects relating to medicines, oxygen, ventilators and vaccination were discussed during the meeting. Modi stressed that there is no substitute to testing, tracking and treatment. He said early testing and proper tracking remains the key to reduce mortality. The Prime Minister said that local administrations need to be proactive and sensitive to people's concerns. Modi also spoke about the need to utilize the full potential of India's pharmaceutical industry to meet the rising demands of various medicines. He reviewed the status of supply of remdesivir and other medicines. The Prime Minister was briefed on actions taken to address the issue of availability of remdesivir. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has exhorted the states to plan in advance and increase COVID hospitals, beds with oxygen supply facilities and other relevant infrastructures to deal with the surge in COVID cases. He requested the states to give special focus on the prominent 5 to 6 cities in the administration, map medical colleges to either these cities or adjoining 2 to 3 districts. Dr. Vardhan chaired a high-level review meeting with the health ministers of 11 states and union territories to review measures taken by them for prevention, containment and management of the recent surge in COVID-19. These states include Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, West Bengal, Delhi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. Swami Advaishanand Acharya Mahamandaleshwar of Juna Akhara has said that the people of India and their survival is the first priority, and in view of the rising cases of COVID-19, the Juna Akhara have immersed all the deities who were installed for Kumbh. He said on behalf of Juna Akhara, it is the completion of the Kumbh. Nagaland Chief Secretary has informed Nagaland In-Service Doctors Association NIDA that the state government is actively considering the matter relating to the increase in the superannuation age of the medical doctors and offered to resolve the matter within a period not exceeding 1 year. He told this to NIDA office bearers and representatives during a meeting held at the Chief Secretary's Conference Hall, Kohima, yesterday. The meeting deliberated on the issue of superannuation age of the doctors and the proposed agitation of NIDA. The Chief Secretary therefore reiterated the earlier appeal not to go ahead with the proposed agitation in view of the present COVID situation in the state and the threat of a second wave. Nagaland Fire and Emergency Services yesterday conducted a lecture and demonstration of fire prevention and protection program at Naga Solidarity Park, Kohima, as part of Fire Week 2021. The program included demonstration on handling of fire extinguishers by ASI Menose Zashumo, gas fire by ASI Zesengutio Kiho, search and rescue technique by SI Inaka, do's and don'ts by Thefokrania, and fire tender demonstration by SI Chumemo Pattern. The resource persons educated the public on the practical use of fire extinguishers and other fire safety measures. As part of prevention and mitigation, the department encouraged the people to install smoke detectors and alarms at strategic points in buildings and houses for early detection and warning to occupants, avoid tampering of smoke detecting devices, and remove any obstruction that can hamper its functioning. The department asked the public not to panic in case of fire, but to stay calm and take action and call the local fire station. And as the number of COVID cases are on the rise again, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, follow all the precautions and all those above 45 years to get vaccinated without any hesitation. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, focus on hand and face hygiene, and maintain a distance of 2 yards for social distancing. And that's all the news we have for you this morning. Have a nice day.